बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज चैप्टर दी फंजाई में से हमारा एक लेक्चर चल रहा था, लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ पक्सीनिया। इसकी 5 स्टेजेस थी, जो 3 स्टेजेस हमने पढ़ ली थी। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द लास्ट 2 रिमेनिंग स्टेजेस। बेसिकली ये जो साइकिल है इसका, ये 2 होस्ट पे कंप्लीट होता है। फर्स्ट 3 स्टेजेस जो होती हैं वो वीट प्लांट में होती हैं। नेक्स्ट 2 स्टेजेस जो हैं वो बर्बरी प्लांट में होती हैं। बर्बरी प्लांट इसे जरशक भी कहते हैं और ये एक झाड़ीनुमा पौधा होता है। सो नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस। हमने बेसिडियल स्टेज तक पढ़ा था। यू नो वेल, ड्यूरिंग बेसिडियल स्टेज बेसिडियोस्पोर्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड। सो नाउ फर्दर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द फोर्थ स्टेज, which is the piceal stage. When basidiospore fall on the surface of leaf of Burberry plant, you can see this is the basidiospore, and this one layer is the surface epidermis of leaf of Burberry plant. When basidiospore fall on the leaf surface of Burberry plant, they form a germ tube which penetrate into the cuticle first. You can see red line is the cuticle. They form a germ tube which penetrate into cuticle, then into epidermis, and they form 4 cells. And these 4 cells form hyphae in all directions into the mesophyll cells with hystoria. You can see hook-like. These 4 cells produce hyphae with hook-like hystoria for absorption of the food. You know fungi are absorptive in nature. These hyphae above the epidermal cells, they form a long chain of cells. You can see here. There are 2 type of chain of cells. The long chains, also called receptive hyphae, and short chain, or you can say small hyphae, which are present between. So small hyphae are involved in the formation of spores called pycniospores. These are the pycniospores are formed by small hyphae. Axial stage. These are the long hyphae, also called receptive hyphae, and these are the small hyphae which formed the pycniospores. Because pycniospores are formed, this stage is called pycnial stage. So now these pycniospore fall on the chain of cell. This is a monokaryotic cell, and this also a monokaryotic cell. When they fuse, they form diploid, you can say dikaryotic hyphae. After fusion form dikaryotic hyphae. This will make chain of cells on lower epidermis. You can see this pycniospore fall on the cell of long hyphae. So due to this reason we call receptive hyphae, and they fuse to each other and form a dikaryotic hyphae, and they make chain of cells on lower epidermis. You can see this red is the lower epidermis, and these are the cells. They form a chain of cells named as ichthyospore. Because ichthyospores are immature, so they need more time to mature. So perimedium layer is formed below the cells, and also another layer is formed, ascidium. Ascidium layer is formed which provide protection until they get mature. So these are the ichthyospore. When these layers disintegrate, ascospores are released into wind, so they fall on the wheat plant. So that was the life cycle of Puccinia. I hope आपको bit समझ आ गई होगी. Thank you very much.